rice pudding, one of the easiest desserts you can make, and I'm going to show you my vegan version using some almond milk. Now you'll need about 750 mils of almond milk. That goes straight into the pot. You can change up the nut milk, you could use oat milk, soy milk, whatever you like. I'm going to turn the heat on, just a medium to high heat. I'll flavour this with some cinnamon. And now for the rice, this works best with arborio rice. Arborio rice is a short grain rice. It's very high in starch, which means it's going to be thick and creamy. You don't need to pre-wash it at all, so we'll just measure about half a cup of the arborio rice into the milk, and then with a wooden spoon, we'll give this a mix. Now, it's a rice pudding, so it needs to be sweet, but I don't like to add any sweeteners at this stage because it can stick and catch to the pot. So we're going to cook this until it's almost cooked and then add some maple syrup and a nut butter. Well, this is looking fantastic. You can see it's absorbed all of that liquid. Now for the sweetener, so a little bit of maple syrup, just to keep it vegan friendly, and also some almond butter, a spoonful of that, and then just give that a mix until it completely dissolves into this beautiful rice pudding, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to serve it in this decorative glass, a nice generous ladle full straight in. Look at that, see how it's not too stodgy, and to top that off, why not some fresh berries? I've got some strawberries here. We'll just cut the tops off, cut them into quarters over the top, and we're going to keep with that red theme some raspberries, cut them in half as well, just almost crushing them over the top. And to really show off that it's almonds, I've got a few whole almonds that I'll just cut really roughly, sprinkle that over the top. And that right there is truly a simple dessert using some risotto rice and almond milk.